चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Viewers, we take you through all the details coming in. Multiple meetings are being held. The BJP is holding meetings, the JDU is holding meetings, Chirag Paswan and the LJP have also spoken to the public ahead of the NDA meeting, which is scheduled later on. Here is that reaction.
Well, I mean, to be very honest, I don't know how much will you believe when I say this, but that's just not our priority right now. My ultimate goal was, and you know my samarpan, my dedication towards my Prime Minister. So my ultimate goal was to see him becoming the Prime Minister for the third time. And whatever we did, I'm not only talking about last 75, 80 days, you know. I'm talking about past 2-3 years, you know. Whatever that I did, I was doing it to make sure that he becomes the Prime Minister for the third time. And so yes, I mean, who's getting what portfolio, what negotiation, what deal, I mean, that's just not our priority right now.
But in Bihar specifically, the performance has actually helped the NDA to a great extent. But there have been talks that maybe the JDU or the Nitish's government has helped that, or if at all, this is also, do you, in your opinion, think that this is because of the LJP as well? And you, especially considering, have had differences with the JDU in the past.
No, I think it's a collective responsibility, and my Chief Minister had a huge role to play, the kind of results that we have delivered. I mean, absolutely, I mean, he's got a massive role to play in it, and I think it's a collective responsibility of Bharatiya Janata Party, Janata Dal United, my party, together to come to this result. And when you talk about differences, I think that was sorted way before the elections, and I was very clear. You know, there's no point of being in an alliance if you have differences within. You know, I mean, if that was there, we wouldn't have been able to deliver or perform this well. So that was sorted way before. Today, together, the whole alliance stand together besides my Prime Minister.
So viewers, we're getting you back-to-back meetings on this story, and what we see right now, viewers, is that all these NDA partners are going to have meetings, back-to-back meetings with the BJP and other top BJP leadership to understand how will things move forward, especially when it comes to ministers. We're getting some more reactions coming in. Let's.
और अग्निवीर योजना को लेकर देखा गया कि काफी प्रतिशोध था, बीजेपी को नुकसान।
जनता में लोकसभा चुनाव के दौरान रिजेंटमेंट था। हमारी मांग होगी कि इसकी जो कंट्रोवर्शियल चीजें हैं वो रिव्यू हो।
और कौन से इश्यूज जो है रिव्यू, आपको लगता है कि पूरा नौकरी जो है जैसे पहले था,
फिर आधे घंटे के लिए आ जाइए ना, बैठ के बात हुई। ये मैंने कहा रिव्यू हो तो रिव्यू हो, जो जिस पर जनता को एतराज।
नीतीश जी से बैठक हुई, क्या क्या बातें हुई?
नहीं, वो तो कल इसकी बैठक होगी संसदीय दल की, और जल्दी राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी की बैठक भी होगी।
राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी की बैठक, क्या नए अध्यक्ष चुने जाएंगे?
नहीं भैया, तो आप तो ले कैसी खराब बात करते हैं आप। वो अध्यक्ष है नहीं, क्या नहीं अध्यक्ष नीतीश कुमार जी नहीं है, कौन बदल देगा उनको? ऐसा सवाल।
ये कितने मिनिस्ट्रीज की?
नहीं, ये प्रधानमंत्री से पूछिए।